Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. It's freaking confirmed, guys. $1. We are closer to $1 than we have ever been before. And one analyst is saying that we could see a 300% pump, guys, coming in. And I believe that we easy to see 30 cents coming in soon, guys, for Dogecoin. And right now we're seeing a little incy-wincy pullback for most of the markets right now. But Dogecoin is still in the green, guys, still in the green. And I did tell you that Dogecoin eventually will pump and go crazy, and I predict it exactly as I got it right. I got it right. So I'm not going to pat myself on the back. Pat. Guys, so we're going to be talking about that. What's going on with BlackRock? What's going on with the ETFs? Also, we're going to be talking about who's causing this big pump on Bitcoin? Is it institutions? Is it retail investors? So we're going to see an interview with one analyst that's going to basically clarify where's all this freaking money coming from out there, guys. So remember, don't forget to lick the likes. Like that, lick, guys, show some love, and don't forget, it's a great time to be alive, and let's get the party freaking started, guys. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it as well if you would become a member and get access to a private WhatsApp group. If you do become a member, send me a DM on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, with your handle and, what's your membership type, and we'll get you access to a free WhatsApp group. So what's going on with the markets now? Here's a heat map out there, guys. So we're still seeing that Dogecoin is still up 4.85%. We're seeing that Bitcoin is now starting to flip green. Ethereum is down, but look at Solana. Wana is up 8%, guys. So fantastic news. Let's give this a minty refresh time. Let's go see what happened with the U.S. markets yesterday. So the U.S. markets were up. That's not too bad. We are seeing that this Debbie Downer is threatening this again. Someone's got to definitely take care of this, because it is not good, guys. It is not good out there, guys. So overall, the market's doing pretty good. Nasdaq is up. We're seeing fear and greed dropped a little bit. That is because Bitcoin went down. So the sentiment went down. Go figure, right? Go figure. Go fish. Right now, we're seeing the total crypto market cap right now is at over $2 trillion. And it's at 2.28 trillion, guys. So not too bad. Almost like a week and a half ago, we're at only 1.7, guys. So lift off time. Bitcoin is up 19% in 7 days. Ethereum is up 12.84%. We're seeing BNB is up almost 5%. Solana is up 30% in 7 days, and up 9.41% in the last 24 hours. It's going berserker, guys. XRP is up as well. Cardano's up 12.76%, and the Dogecoin is up freaking 40%, guys. Let that sink in. Dogecoin is up 40% in 7 days. So if you had bought Dogecoin 7 days ago, you would now be up 40%, 41%, guys. So don't doubt the Doge. Don't doubt the community, guys. It's a great time to be alive. And also, take note, the Dogecoin is out now in the ninth spot. Yeah. Ninth spot, baby. Ninth spot. It's firework time. Let's get it, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. Let's get the confetti going. Confetti time. Confetti. Woo! Dogecoin to the moon, guys. So let's get it, guys. What else is coming in, guys? Feel the power. Feel the passion of Doge. Ooh. I'm feeling, guys. You guys feel lovely, jubbly, guys out there. How do you feel about Doge? Happy now? Repost if you love the Doge. So you guys also be freaking happy right now, because Dogecoin is doing well, looking good, guys, and breaking. Doge rises over 32% in the last 24 hours, surprising. And increasing its market cap to 17.5 billion, guys. So let's see the market cap right now. Market cap right now is 17 billion, guys. So we're on our way. We're on our freaking way. Ooh, great time to be alive. And what else is coming in, guys? What else is coming in? Yeah, I'm feeling happy. Look, OG's got the sunglasses. It's a great time to be alive. What else is coming in? Guys, did you know that Dogecoin open interest looms up to 1 billion, and there's 70% of the traders, the leveraged degens out there, are going long. So watch out, be careful, because not only are the traders going long on Bitcoin and on Dogecoin, also a lot of the other crypto. So you could see some of the market makers want to take some liquidity, so we could see a dumpski, guys. I think that this weekend we could see a little bit of dumpski. So I'm going to be waiting till this weekend before I pick up some more crypto, guys. So What's next for Dogecoin? Well, while Dogecoin and the community are oozing with optimism, CryptoCoin analysis of the meme coin noted that it was overbought, and the relative strength index (RSI) with a possible trend reversal indication. It adds that 80% of the price movement in the last 2 weeks has been up, and trend reversal can occur. So basically, what that's saying. Investors are riding high, a lot of open interest, a lot of the DGens are longing the crap out of Dogecoin and Bitcoin, other cryptos. So the market makers, they're going to want to suck some of that liquidity out. So there's probably going to be, you're probably going to see a hunter wick, guys, a hunter wick to the downside, maybe like a 6-7%, bang, and that's going to wickety wick a lot of people out there. So Dogecoin open interest. Like I said, it's up, guys. The RSI is overbought, so a little bit of correction is coming, guys. Guys, did you know that Dogecoin price touched highest levels in 2 years? In 2 years, the highest levels in 2 years. A repeat of 2021. Could we see a parabolic move for Dogecoin? Could we see easily a new all-time high for Dogecoin coming? And it could happen. I think after the halving. Approximately 3 months after halving, we're going to get some very big blasting off. Also coming in from Trader Tardigrade, Dogecoin has broken out of the descending trend. So, we had this descending trend. Bing! A big parabolic pump, right? Bing! And this is on a weekly. So we have broken out of that. And who knows how high we can go. So, I think 30 cents definitely coming in out there, guys. I think we're going to see a 2-digit Doge pretty soon, 2 digits, guys. And this analyst is saying, is Dogecoin ready for a 300% bull run? Analyst weigh in. So Rec Capital came out and said, we could definitely be seeing a 300% pump for Dogecoin. We're seeing that the open interest for Dogecoin right now is over 1 billion, guys. So that is pretty good out there. We're seeing that we've broken out of this whole descending triangle. That is pretty good. And I believe that we could be setting up for a 300% pumpity pump. And Dogecoin is up like 30% in the last 24 hours. Data from CoinGlass shows a 51% jump on interest of Dogecoin, so almost 1.9 million in open interest. Such a spike is often open interest signals fresh capital entering the market. So we could see more fresh capital entering the market, guys. We're going to see some more FOMO degens happening, guys. So that's cool, guys. Absolutely freaking cool, guys. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin chart. It's pretty. I mean, we had these hunter wicks to the upside. We hit a high of like over 13 cents. We have come down from the top significantly. We're right here. We've come down almost 14% from the top. And this is pretty normal for Dogecoin. Dogecoin has these big pumps, consolidation, flat lines and retests. But I think with all this open interest, things that's what's been happening, I think that we are probably going to, go sideways for the next 24 hours. And we will get back up there. Don't be surprised if we have a little bit of a retest at the downside as the market makers want to take some liquidity out there. So yeah, Dogecoin right now, our volume is up 23%. That's 4.78 billion, and the market cap is at 16.9 billion, and we're in number 9 spot. And guys, look at this. Wow, how many of the Doge-woozers are in the money? Right now we're seeing 81% of all the Dozers are in the money, and the indicators are neutral out there. So that's pretty good. 6% of the holders have been holding for more than 1 year, 27% 1 to 12 months. And the cruisers, who are the losers? These are the DJs, the traders, the guys that just want to scalp. Only 13%, guys. So don't scalp. Don't be a DGen. Don't leverage trade, guys, because when you leverage trade, you're wrecking for everybody else. Don't do that out there. Dogecoin, the one and only, guys. Believe it, up and onwards, guys. Now, Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin has gone up. It's retraced a little bit, but it's got some really good support around about 60,600. So right now, ping, Bitcoin, hello, Bitcoin is at $61,224. And let's hope this support line holds for Bitcoin. I believe that we're probably going to see probably some sideways consolidation out there for most of the weekend, maybe even some downside, guys. So let's listen to this. Let's listen to this out there. In a minute, we're going to get to a huge breaking story.
This price action on Bitcoin, Matt, how much of this is retail investors investing directly in Bitcoin? How much of it is the ETF? How much of it is institutions in the ETF?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So here he's going to tell us you know, is it institutions or is it retail? Retail is like you and me, right? So let's listen. Let's absolutely listen and see what they got to say.
Great question. We're seeing enormous demand for the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF and across all of these ETFs. And the answer is it's all of those categories. You're seeing retail investors come into these ETFs. You're seeing hedge funds. You're seeing RIAs or independent financial advisors. I think there's an even bigger wave coming in a few months as we start to see the major wirehouses turn on. But this has been Bitcoin's IPO moment. It's in a new era of price discovery. And I think prices could go substantially higher from here.
Oh, yeah.
Let's talk about where they could go in just a minute. But I just want to go back to this idea of who you think is buying these ETFs.
Who's buying?
Meaning, how much of this is retail
Answer the question,
versus institutions?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, when these ETFs first launch,
and
they're not turned on at the major wirehouses, at the major institutions. So the initial demand out of the gate for any ETF, including these, is primarily retail and independent financial advisors and hedge funds. So I think that's the primary driver. That's what we're seeing. But I'll tell you, after this meeting, I'm getting on a plane to go talk to one of the largest institutional consultants in the U.S. about this ETF. So we're going to see that next wave of institutional capital.
You did mention hedge funds, which I will put in sort of an institutional or professional category. In terms of this big move, do you think it's that money that's pushed this, or do you think it's straight retail?
Oh, I think it's both. I think it's both.
But
it's just new demand. If you think about Bitcoin pre the ETFs, there was only a small set of investors who could buy it. Now almost everyone can buy it, and the supply demand dynamic is just off the hook. There are 30,000 Bitcoin purchased by ETFs this week alone. Bitcoin miners have only created less than 3,000. That's what's driving the price. And it's both hedge funds and retail and that advisor community.
There you go. So it's a combination of retail, advisor community, and institutions going to ape in. It means that anyone can buy Bitcoin via Bitcoin spot ETFs, guys. And remember, when the Ethereum ETF happens, we're going to see Ethereum explode to the moon. Right now, Ethereum is trading at $3,373. We've got some overhead resistance around about 3,500, guys. It's insane. We're seeing a little bit of consolidation. We're going to see a consolidation, maybe even a drop, guys. So it's insanity, guys. It's absolutely insanity. What's going on here? Bitcoin is inside a massive broadening wedge. If Bitcoin flips, so at 61,000, the next stop would be the upper resistance line of $90,000. And remember, for Bitcoin, we're very close to our all-time high. How close are we? Well, let's take a look. From here to here to all-time high, we're only right now around 12.84%, guys. So not too shabby at all. So things are looking good, guys. Also, guys, just in the total spot Bitcoin ETF, as we talked about in that video, is now 4.69 million trading volume today. And look at this guy. BlackRock, almost 2 billion. Grayscale, 1.3 billion. Fidelity, 1 billion. ARK Invest, 193 million. Bitwise, and so on, and goes on and on and on, guys. Hey, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it the freak off there. Get it off there before someone takes it, guys, and get a NANO Leger wallet. The linky winky is down there. Get the link, guys. It doesn't cost you more, and it helps support the channel. And also, did you guys know almost 1 year ago, a lot of the banks out there were basically canceling people's bank accounts who were sending fiat to Coinbase to buy Bitcoin. So it's kind of weird that we had a complete reversal now. Just in Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Merrill begins offering Bitcoin ETFs to clients. Remember, these same banks were closing people's banks that were buying Bitcoin in exchanges. So remember, at the end of the day, they didn't want you to buy Bitcoin because they were losing money. But now they want you to buy Bitcoin because they see it as a money-making opportunity, guys. So it's just the hypocrisy out there, guys. Just in, did you know that Bitcoin surpasses the Russian ruble to become the 14th largest currency in the freaking world, guys? OMG, guys. And look at Bitcoin returns, 45.17% this quarter, pow, and 46.51% for Ethereum. So we're going to the freaking moon, guys. We're going to the freaking moon. Look at Bitcoin. It's getting closer and closer to the 9th spot, and it's going to kick out the Zuckerberg, the meta Zuckerberg. I hate that guy. And guys, very suspicious activity coming from the U.S. government. Transfers nearly $923 million worth of Bitcoin seized from Bitfinex hack to unknown addresses. The transfer occurred in two parts, totaling around about 15,000 Bitcoin. The purpose is still unclear. We don't know what's going on, guys. Hopefully it's not going to Ukraine out there. Guys, there is being a spike, significant spike in profit taken by whales. So over the past 3 days, they have sold about 80,000 Bitcoin. It's about $4.8 billion. So investors and traders are advised to proceed with caution. So like I said, we could see a little bit of downside, guys. So get ready for that. And guys, this is what everybody is thinking when Bitcoin hit over 1,000. When Bitcoin hit over $60,000, I know that there's a lot of euphoria, and I got to play this. Woo! So guys, feel the pump, feel the love, guys. That's all I got. Guys, go and follow me on my Twitter, guys. Let's see how many people we got on my Twitter account now. We've got, yeah, we're getting pretty close to 1,300. Let's get this up to 20,000 followers, guys. So all I want to say is be freaking blessed, be freaking well, be good, be perfect. You be you out there. Spread a little love. Peace out.